Unfortunately, the video what you're looking for is private now. The only other country we only got here in video from is the thumbnail thingy. So there might be noticed that if Willy Freebody, who working at the Washington School for Recording Arts, made all his private videos back to the public, and everyone should be watching your previous parodies, super facts, and bloopers again, as if they drum videos or other stuff we have made in 2006 to 2019. So this is me, ClubBBC TV, signing off for the other cultural purpose.